Amazon just launched a TikTok style feed on their app for people to shop photo and videos in the same way that they scroll on TikTok. The reason that this is crazy is it's not showing that Amazon's trying to compete with TikTok, which they will in a sense. But more importantly, I just think it shows that everybody's going into this style of discovery. All of these places where you shop are becoming more and more visually appealing. Real estate apps like Zillow will introduce a TikTok style of feed. Pinterest already has it. Everybody's just looking to make something more scrollable, discoverable, and enjoyable for the consumers. And the only reason why I'm making this video is for you as a creator to know by the day your value is going up, because every single platform and every single company will need to make content at scale.